everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1964 Chevrolet C10 short box pickup. Killer truck, guys. Buddy of mine out of Knoxville is one who I actually bought two trucks from the same guy. Buddy of mine down there in Tennessee is that one who actually found these for me. We've been working on trying to buy these trucks for about 3 months. Guy built a pair of these trucks. They're both frame-off restorations, and they are beautiful. This one's finished in poppy red and Shoreline beige. Killer truck. Again, complete nut and bolt frame-off restoration. I do have some receipts for the rest, though. I've got photos of the restoration, though. He's been working on these trucks, it looks like, for about 8-9 years. Just got them done. David said there's not a whole lot of miles on these trucks at all. Matter of fact, when I got them, both trucks now have air on them. He had to put the air on them for me. So they're brand new vintage AC units, both good, solid Tennessee trucks. I love this body style anyways. I'm very partial to it. I have one of these actually set aside for myself. I think this is one of the best looking trucks on the road. And this one's killer. Again, beautiful poppy red paint. I didn't see a whole lot to pick. There was one little, you can see a little mark there. But man, this truck is nice. Drives great. Matter of fact, I cruised it around a little bit this morning. Chrome and stainless. Looks like they've replaced almost all of that stuff. I love the turn signals in the hood like that. New bumpers, new grille. That's just a little bit of white off. Killer truck, man. Drove down the road great. And they say there ain't 500 miles on either of these trucks. I like the two-tone. I thought that was cool. I like the stock mirrors. Glass is nice. Fit and finish is excellent on the truck. You can see new oak bed. He's relocated the fuel tank, that custom fuel tank in the bed here. Killer truck. Both tailgates are functional on these trucks. Just put the chains on them. Just as nice on the bottom as they are on top. Brand spanking new wheels and tires, he said. Those are 20-inch US mags all the way around it with all new rubber. I mean, as you walk around, you just see new bolts everywhere. I mean, he just did a great job building these trucks, man. I love the body lines on these things. Like I say, I have a red 66 that I've had for a couple years now, and man, they're just I mean, anywhere I take my truck, people just go crazy. I love this body style. I don't think you see it nearly as much as you do the 70s trucks. Again, as you walk around, all stainless bolts. There's a complete frame off, added front disc brakes. Put a couple little scratches there in that trim. .350 small block, 650 Edelbrock carb, stock intake. He's got a set of Hedman headers, power steering, power disc brakes. Again, brand spanking new vintage air conditioning. It's got a nice set of chrome valve covers and air cleaner. It's got aluminum radiator on it with the, it's got a flex fan and an electric fan on it. And again, and I got some pictures of the bottom. You see that thing's complete frame off down there. 350 trans. And you can put mirrors under it and show it. And you look in there, the inner wheel wells are all body color. Again, you can put mirrors under it and show it. And you look in there, the inner wheel wells are all body color. And you look in there, the inner wheel wells are all body color. And you look in there, the inner wheel wells are all body color. And you look in there, the inner wheel wells are all body color. And you look in there, the inner wheel wells are all body color. And you look in there, the inner wheel wells are all body color. And you look in there, the inner wheel wells are all body color. And you look in there, the inner wheel wells are all body color. And you look in there, the inner wheel wells are all body color. And you look in there, the inner wheel wells are all body color. And you look in there, the inner wheel wells are all body color. And you look in there, the inner wheel wells are all body color. And you look in there, the inner wheel wells are all body color. And you look in there, the inner wheel wells are all body color. And you look in there, the inner wheel wells are all body color. And you look in there, the inner wheel wells Wipers work. It's got electric wipers on it. I've ordered new floor mats for it. I like the stock mirrors. I thought that was cool. The vent windows work. Looks like they put new door handles on it. You can see your door skins are nice and clean. New carpet. This is actually, it's got that ultra leather. This is a charcoal. So like a super dark gray. New carpet. Again, Don from ACC's got, or AAC, sorry. It's got new mats on the way for. I ordered a new cover for that as well. I don't know if they just missed it. Stock steering wheel. Little, you know, blemish in the cap. It's showing a little age on the cap, but steering wheel's really nice. Stock dash. 36,820 on your odometer, but they say there's, like I say, trucks are put together. Missing a knob too. I noticed that today. I don't know what goes there. I got some aftermarket gauges there. It's got the stock Delco radio. It does not work. It's probably not even hooked up. Again, this is a leather seat. It's that ultra leather. It's got a good sounding Flowmaster dual exhaust kit in it. It's a 12 bolt. It's got a 355 gear in it. Again, all new oak bed. And there is pictures of the truck completely disassembled, off the frame. I love the taillights on these trucks. I'm probably partial to them. My grandfather had one of these. I remember driving around at his farm. I couldn't remember the year, but probably eating the Milky Way. Loved Milky Way, so. Door skins are nice and clean. I mean, this is just a killer truck, man. This stuff's real nice. People always ask about room in the cabs. I'm 6'2". Nathan's 6'4", is about to get in there. We fit these trucks good. Again, there's photos of the truck. See right off the frame. Some receipts, not a ton, guys. There is some receipts for the truck, but there's not a ton. I think like the paint and stuff, I've seen some of that stuff. Air blow stove, again, it's brand new. Drove out great. Did a nice job detailing that engine compartment in there. Love the look of those trucks. Pretty much lights, fuel gauge on there works, and then of course you got all your aftermarket gauges right there. The one section is like your original blower switches. Those are unhooked. Now you got to use the ones to the far right. Good sound. Yeah, it didn't work. Again, that's the switches you got to use for your AC. I think it's got heat and AC. Again, all your gauges down there are functional. Everything opens and closes really nice. Wipers work. I love those, man. Again, great truck. Make sure you guys keep track of this on our social media, our Facebook, our Instagram page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep track of us. Love that truck.